Welcome. Today, we'll be diving into the world of Costco employment, revealing insider secrets to help you get hired quickly. With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to ace your application and interview, and land your dream job in no time. Let's get started. First, subscribe to this channel and smash that button so you can always have the latest news and tips on finding a job in your area. Before you even start your Costco job application, it's important to do some research and get prepared. Let's go through some key steps you should take before applying. Visit the Costco website and learn about the company's mission, values, and history. Familiarize yourself with the various roles and departments within the company. Here's the biggest job-finding insider secret that no one talks about. Read reviews from current and former employees to gain insights into the company culture. For this, you can use a website like Indeed.com, which has real reviews from present and past employees for every company imaginable. You'll be able to hear the truth about Costco or any other company by reading these employee reviews. Connect with Costco employees on LinkedIn or other networking platforms for insider advice. Now that you're prepared, let's dive into the application process. Here are some insider tips to help you stand out. Tailor your resume to highlight relevant skills and experiences for the position. Write a strong cover letter that demonstrates your passion for Costco and the role. Use keywords from the job description in both your resume and cover letter. Be sure to triple-check your application for spelling and grammar errors. You've made it to the interview stage. Congratulations! Here's how to leave a lasting impression on your interviewers. Practice answering common interview questions and prepare examples from your experience. I've included a link in the description to common interview questions and how to answer them. Dress professionally and arrive early to show your commitment and reliability. Research and prepare questions to ask the interviewer, showing your genuine interest in the role. Send a follow-up thank you email, expressing your gratitude for the opportunity and reiterating your enthusiasm for the position. And that's a wrap. With these insider secrets, you're now well equipped to get hired as quickly as possible at Costco. Remember, persistence is key, so don't give up if you don't succeed at first. Keep refining your application and interview skills, and your dream job will be within reach. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.